So I have the shallots in the olive oil going.
Okay.
I have some beautiful ripe heirloom
Those
cherry tomatoes.
do look beautiful.
Very bright.
Pop those in there.
Okay.
Now, we were wondering if you were going to be using a broccoli flavored pasta, but you're actually using
So we
shredded broccoli.
Yep, we took the broccoli itself. We have the heart.
Right.
So we cut the bottoms off, which the bottom is very fibrous and rooty, and took the tops off for the florets, and that's what we used for our pesto. And the actual very center, I peel the outside, and then you can use a mandolin. You can use a peeler itself and just peel it down, and then you just get these nice, beautiful little strands
You know what I love about
that
this
look like
is
pasta.
most people just throw away the
I'm
stem.
guilty,
And
yes.
that's such a waste. And this has become so cost effective doing it this way.
So broccoli is a really great food for kids to have, and I think you want to really have those vegetables in your child's diet. Maybe not the first one they get at 6 months, because sometimes that fiber can contribute to a little tummy upset, but by the time they're close to a year, for sure. Most people don't realize you get about as much vitamin C as an orange, in your broccoli.